Good morning, guys, and welcome to one of your stations for math this week. We are going to get started in IXL, and I already have you guys loaded in there, so you are going to have to enter in your sign-in information. Your sign-in information is the first letter of your first name and then your whole last name at MAES. Your password is just your first initial and your last name's first initial. So my password would be AM. Then you're going to click sign in and you are going to click on learning. And when we get into the learning part of IXL, you obviously are going to pick on 5th grade. And we have two different IXLs that we are going to work on this week. So you are going to work in A2 as well as A8. So you're going to work on place value and rounding. So as you are working on them, you click on A2 is going to be the first one that you work on. And it's going to pull up the questions and it's going to keep track of what you are doing over here. We want to make sure that you get to at least an 80 on them. So once you get a SMART score of 80, then you can move on to A8. Okay, so you're going to work through these problems. What are the missing numbers? So then type the missing numbers. What's in the hundreds? 4. How many 10s are there? 1. And how many 1s are there? 7. We're going to be doing a lot with place value this week, and just keep working through until this SMART score gets to an 80. All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know.